These are some professional thumbnails I created in just a few seconds, and completely free of charge. Whenever someone starts a YouTube channel, the very first question they ask is, how do I make a thumbnail? And this is exactly the point where 99.99% of people either get confused or abandon the idea of doing YouTube altogether. They believe that creating a professional thumbnail without Photoshop is impossible, which is absolutely incorrect. This website lets you create the kind of thumbnails Mr. Beast pays $10,000 for, entirely for free. And in this video, I'll be generating a few thumbnails live, right in front of you, to prove my point. I can only guarantee professional quality thumbnails if you watch this video till the end, because I'll be explaining a few important steps. If you follow them properly, you'll be able to create top-notch thumbnails too. And at the end of the video, I'll also share how I managed to create over 50 thumbnails, as the site only allows you to generate 3 thumbnails at a time. So, without wasting any more time, let's head straight to the website. The website is called glyph.ai, and the link is in the description below. Once you open the link, you'll be greeted with the site's interface. In the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Simply click it and select Sign In with Google. Then, choose your Gmail account and click Continue. It will suggest a username. Just proceed with it by clicking Continue once again. Next, you'll see the pricing page. Scroll down and click on Continue with Free Plan. It will then take you to the main interface of the site, where you'll see that you've received 10 free credits, which allows you to make 3 professional thumbnails. Now, just click on the search bar and type YouTube Thumbnail Maker. Then click the first result that appears. As I promised, I'll now generate a few thumbnails live. First, let's enter the title Israel versus Iran and see how it turns out. Oh my word, just look at how professional that thumbnail is. And it took only a few seconds. Now let's try another one. Dark Reality of Trump. This really is a brilliant website. If you'd like to make more thumbnails, you can do what I did. Create around 20 Gmail accounts and enjoy making as many thumbnails as you like for free. But this is just the first step in video creation. If you'd like to learn the rest, do subscribe to the channel